Aesop, if you're watching this on YouTube right now, it's too late for old Merlot. Taking my long last ride out on the Broham. Took my long last ride on the Broham. I wanted you to know, Aesop, you were like a son to me. That pink ice is your inheritance. Clint got to me. Don't let a double Merlot happen. It's Merlot.